Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I created a Mackenzie child-inspired napkin holder. I was going to make one similar to how I made my Halloween one, but then I found these little containers that actually I thought would be a perfect napkin holder. So what you'll need from DollarTree, of course, is the snowman. Unless you like one of the other ones better, it will work the same way. And I used a heat gun and a little spatula, and I separated all my pieces. It took a little doing, but the hot glue melts, and then you can take it apart. And then once all the pieces were apart, I did want to put it back together eventually. So I took the two pieces that made the box and I cut one of them, so when you glue two pieces together it would be the same width as the base of the snowman. And then I went and used some chalk paint and I covered up the snowman back and front and the base, and I needed 2 coats. Then I looked for a Mackenzie Child's snowman as my inspiration. And before I wanted to draw right onto my snowman, I did hand pencil draw what I thought it would look like. Once I was happy, I transferred it right onto my wooden cutout. Then it was time to start making it look a little bit like a courtly check. So I just, after I hot glued my 2 pieces I cut to the base, I started making some squares. And then I just used a black permanent marker and a gold metallic marker, and I colored in alternating checks. And then I needed some buttons, so I took some white DollarTree buttons and I spray painted them gold. And then using just permanent markers, I colored in my snowman, added a couple of pom-poms for earmuffs, and then I added wiggly eyes to the buttons. And then I used wood glue and some clamps, and I set the snowman up against the piece I just glued. I decided I didn't want to do all those checks again, so I used metallic gold spray paint and I spray painted the back, and then I used wood glue to attach that to the back, and my snowman was complete. And here you can see it with no napkins in it. I know those wiggly eyes are a little goofy, but I have little grandgirls, so it's okay. They'll like it. Quarantino and I hope you enjoyed our first Christmas season DIY. If you did, please give our video a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. As always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. And then Quarantino and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.